Hey, I'm here to tell you why you should get and why I'm getting a GoPro Hero 7. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Kuzak and welcome back to Adventure Pups. I'm on the road today. I'm on my way to pick up a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I recently had a question on social media from somebody asking me what I use to shoot my videos. And I'll let you in on a little secret. I'm all about being as mobile as possible. So I use my phone, my iPhone. I use my DJI Mavic Mini, a very small drone. And I've also been using an action camera. It's actually a knockoff brand action camera, very cheap action camera that I picked up a couple years ago just to record my Mud Hero that I competed in. And at the time I wasn't interested in getting anything super expensive. I just wanted something cheap. I've been using that action camera lately as well to record our hikes, and I just haven't been satisfied with the footage. And I know that you guys as viewers are going to be expecting more, better quality, something that will not make you nauseous as you watch it because the stabilization is horrible on it. So I wanted to go over some of the reasons and my thought process as to why I'm picking up the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Currently, the latest version was the GoPro Hero 8, and there's also the GoPro Max. And my thought process behind not wanting to get the GoPro Hero 8 is that I just didn't find that the features over and above the GoPro Hero 7 were enough to make me want to spend the extra $100. And I was ready to pull the trigger when I found a Kijiji ad that actually had a GoPro Hero 7 Black and a whole bunch of other accessories. So I'm talking accessories like the GoPro Seeker backpack, the Go Pole, a chesty, and a whole bunch of other little bits and pieces and accessories. So I'll tell you why I'm wanting to get a GoPro. My channel is all about the life of my dog, Brew. And I have a vision where I'd like to mount the GoPro using the GoPro Fetch, which is a dog harness, to capture his point of view. Now, if I were to mount my cheap knockoff action camera to Brew, the footage would be totally unusable. There is absolutely no stabilization. And one of the things that caught my attention with the GoPro Hero 7 Black is the hyper smooth setting. The stabilization that comes with it is just amazing. I've seen some test footage on YouTube that just blows me away how smooth it is. It's almost like it's mounted to a gimbal. But my vision isn't to use just any regular footage. I'd like to use a hyperlapse. And I think that would be enough to get the gist of what Brew is experiencing and what he is seeing, his point of view on the trails. What I'm hoping to do is show you whether or not the GoPro Hero 7 lives up to my expectations. Alright, so I made it to the meeting point. I'm gonna go inside and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so I've got the GoPro. Let me show you. Here's the GoPro bag that it came with. Inside, this is the important part. And here's the GoPro Hero 7 Black. There it is. So looking forward to playing around with this thing and making some good videos. Let's see how it tests when I get home. So I made it back. We decided to come to the park today. I brought along both the GoPro Hero 7 and my knockoff action camera. And I thought that the best way to demonstrate to you the difference is to mount both of them to me while we go for a walk with our dog. So as you can see, I've got the GoPro Hero 7 mounted to my shoulder on the GoPro Seeker backpack. And then I've also got the action camera that I had before mounted to my chesty. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go for a little walk, and I'll put the videos of both cameras side by side so you guys have a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so hopefully that gave you a good idea of what to expect in terms of differences between a knockoff action camera and the GoPro Hero 7. Now I'm going to try doing hyperlapse. I'm going to see how well it works. Now my knockoff action camera does have a time-lapse feature, but I don't think it works quite the same as GoPro's hyperlapse. So I'm going to give it a try and see what happens, and I'll put that up on the video for you guys as well. There you have it. If you're looking for an action camera to capture your adventures with your pups, maybe look at the Hero 7. It's a pretty good option. If you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of our videos in the future, it might be a good idea to subscribe.